Alright, so in this tutorial I'm going to show how to install the ZV Parent Master animation tool. So this is the folder, right? I have it just on my desktop for now. I'm gonna place this main folder into the classroom class folder on the Z drive. If there are other people watching this, you can find this on the Autodesk, I think their official download page. Basically on Google you type in and you search for ZV Parent Master. You can also YouTube it as well to see the demonstration. Extremely powerful, yet it is free. It's been around for many years. And the guy who created it, yeah, he's been around the block. He's very good. Anyway, so in here, folder, I'm gonna click on README, which is here. I made a subtle little update to the README for those who are super not 100% sure with how to work with Maya. So basically over here, right? Installation, okay. You're gonna place the ZV Parent Master into your scripts folder. So here's this. I'll move this, and here's this. This Parent Master, the ZV Parent Master, which is this guy right here, right? That comes as a set, three-piece set. This you can ignore. This is just a test file, test scene that was used during the demonstration videos that the creator made. But you're gonna get this, right? I'm just showing what's inside of it. You copy it, okay? You copy the entire folder of this, and then you're gonna place it in your scripts folder. So for us, it's mainly having to do with the Windows operating system. You're gonna place in the C drive, right? Documents, Maya, scripts. So I have here Documents, Maya, scripts, and you just copy and paste it in here, and which it's here right now. Okay, that's all you gotta do for step 1. Step 2, right? You're gonna, so direction says in Maya, right? Here's Maya. Okay. 1 second. So part 2, okay. You're gonna open Maya, in Maya, right? Open the script editor, which I'm gonna show right now, right? Open the script editor. So down here is your script editor. This guy right here. Okay. And in the script editor, what's gonna happen next is you're gonna copy this, right? Just highlight like this exactly, no more, no less, right? Right click, copy. Okay. After you copy it, right, let me just read. You're gonna go to the Python tab, and you're gonna paste these 2 rows. Okay, so which you just seen I copied it. Then in the script editor, which again is down here, click that. You want to go to the Python tab. You have all this stuff, Python tab. This is the Python tab. If you're 100% new to all this stuff, you might get confused, but this is it, Python tab. This is your mail script tab. This is your Python tab. And here, you click here and right click, okay, you click here, you go edit, paste, right, in your Python tab down here. Then, right, what you want to do is you want to highlight it. Okay, you want to highlight it, so make sure you highlight it. After you highlight it, you go to the script editors. This is where I made some subtle little extra, added a little bit more information to help those who are super newbies, right? You go to the script editors menu, right? Script editor, it's menu, right? And then go to file, and then click on save script to shelf while this is highlighted, okay? And it's going to give you a floating menu, a small floating menu, and you click OK. Give it a name to a small floating menu that's going to pop up. And click OK. So again, go to File, Save Script to Shelf, give it a name for the floating menu, click OK. So first this is highlighted, File, Save Script to Shelf. Give it a name. I'm gonna give it on I already have it here, right? So I'm just doing this because I already have one. Hit OK. And there you go. Just gotta make sure that this is highlighted, right? And then File, Save Script to Shelf. And then I hit Close. And here it is. You click once. This is the it's the tool menu for it, and that's it. That's how you install this. And for every new computer you go to, you have to do the same process. Yeah. Next tutorial I'm gonna show how to use the actual tool set. Very user friendly. Alright, that's it. Bye.